The curse of Alton Manor. Within these walls lived the perfect family. A mother, father, and daughter Emily. Each year they threw banquets and parties galore, welcoming guests through Alton Manor door. But all was not quite as it should seem. For Emily's dear parents were really quite keen that their daughter be seen yet never heard. On the edge of their parties, only observed, they gave her a doll's house with which to play, to keep her amused and out of their way. Alone and unloved, Emily's mind started to twist, and an evil within began to exist. Thus in 1891 on New Year's Eve, the guests all died, or so you'd believe. Gone without a trace, her dolls missing too. Emily Alton, now possessed, just wants to play with you.